Hi guys, this is Givens Kgasi, and today I'll be answering 10 silly questions for a trader.
I know that Forex is about currencies. Why do I need them if I'm not going on a holiday trip?
Forex is generally associated with foreign exchange. Currency exchanges always take place or continuously take place in the world between large financial institutions or even international companies. Remember, this is the largest market, so people have found a way to make money in it. For the fact that exchange rates are usually not standing still, people have found a way in which they can predict whether the currency pairs would rise or even fall compared to one another. So that's basically why it is associated with currency pairs.
Is there a simple way to start earning on Forex?
So this is how I can assist you with 4 answers to this. So the first thing that you need to understand is understanding the basics of trading. You need to understand what is the currency market all about, what affects it, what is it that is behind the scenes that makes the market to move, that makes the price to move. That's number 1. And number 2, you must learn your technical and fundamental analysis. So talking about technical skill or technical analysis, this is you basically understanding how to read the chart. This is how you become technical even on the chart, understanding statistical figures when it comes to even understanding economic factors. So the second thing I can assist you with, you need to learn your technical as well as your fundamental analysis. So when we're talking about technical analysis, this is you now understanding how the chart works, what makes and what determines the price to move within the charts. And your fundamental analysis, you understanding economic events. What is it that is happening outside the world that we are in? What affects the market? Looking at the fundamentals. These are your news release, and that's information that you can always get online. Then the third thing that I can assist you with is develop a trading plan. So discipline in the financial market is key. If you don't plan to trade, you plan to fail. A good trading plan can assist you in how you can have discipline when you approach your technical, even your fundamental analysis. The fourth thing I can give you is to start small and keep learning. You can never stop learning as a trader, and obviously someone has to start from somewhere. So it is okay to start small and keep on learning. Invest in education. That's the easiest way you can start earning in Forex.
I've heard something about the bulls and the bears from the movies. What is it all about?
Well, this usually comes from different definition within the financial markets. However, the simple explanation to this can be the way these animals attack. So when you look at a bull usually attacks from the bottom. So it takes you down with its horns, taking you from down and taking you up. This usually symbolizes prices rising. And when you look, on the other hand, when you look at a bear usually attacks with its long hands, attacking you from the top to the bottom. So it takes you down. That usually symbolizes the prices going down. Easy.
Alright guys, it's competition time, and each episode will have 3 winners who will receive stylish branded Octomerch packs, which include hoodie, backpack, cap, lantern, power bank, and bottle. And here's how the competition will go. Participants will need to leave correct answers in the comment section within a week from the release of this video. Winners will be selected by a randomizer among those who have fulfilled all the conditions. 1. Answered all questions correctly, left their nickname on Instagram for communication, registered in the Octa trading app, and you're a resident of South Africa. We'll announce the videos a week after each video. If a winner is not registered in the app or lives outside of South Africa, the prize will go to another person who fulfills and meets all the conditions.
Is the US dollar generally strengthened or weakened by a substantial Federal Reserve interest rate hike? What are the key Fibonacci retracement levels to consider after a significant price movement? What is the peak value for $100,000 units in the Euro USD currency pair at an exchange rate of 1.1205?
Users can participate in all the quizzes if they did not win in the previous week.
I heard that Forex trading is like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
How do I know if I can handle it?
Stick to your trading plan, the one that you've already developed, and avoid trading from emotions. Emotions are usually a downfall to a lot of traders. So emotions can make decisions on your behalf. Remember, trading is also like a business, and a business cannot be run with emotions. So avoid things like greed, avoid things like FOMO. If you are a greedy person, you will always find mistakes. You will always make mistakes because you will not understand that this is a give and take business. You take some, and at some point you lose some and leave something on the table. So avoid mistakes by just being impulsive in your decisions. So always stick to your trading plan. What does your trading plan say? You follow a set of rules, set of guidelines that you've put for yourself. And remember, you are your own boss. Once you follow those set of rules and guidelines, you are on your way on becoming a profitable trader.
Do you need a crystal ball to be a good trader?
No, you don't need a crystal ball at all. All you need is a crystal clear strategy. Remember, your approach in the financial market is everything. So all you need to do is to have a strategy that has a good risk management as well as a good trade management with different tactics. So also trade the pairs that you understand their behavior, because if you understand how they move, it's easy for you to take advantage of how they move. Trading is all about rising prices or falling prices. So when you understand a particular pair, it's easy for you to make money from it. Whether you're gonna sell at the high or even buy at the low, that's a good strategy for you to always bear in mind.
When traders say the market is volatile, does that mean it could explode at any moment?
Market volatility is the frequency and the magnitude of price movements. Market volatility is the frequency and the magnitude of price movements, up and down. The more frequent the price swings is, the more the market is said to be volatile. So always bear this in your mind. The more the market is volatile, is the more you can make money in a short period of time, and you can potentially lose money in a short period of time. So the more the market is volatile, for especially day traders, this is often equal to trading opportunities, more especially for day traders.
Why do currency values change? Is it because countries can't negotiate?
No, countries do not need to negotiate at all. Remember that currency values can always be influenced by external or even internal factors like inflation, capital flows. The overall performance of an economy can always affect the value. So you don't need countries to negotiate. Performance of the economy can be measured. Therefore, values can always be influenced by that.
If I make a mistake in trading, can I just do it over like in the game?
Yes, mistakes are often made in the financial markets. However, when you're playing a game, the only thing you have to pay is your time. You make a mistake in playing a game, you pay your time by redoing it. And unfortunately, within the financial market, you will pay time as well as money. The more mistakes you make in your trading career, the more you're going to pay money and the more you are going to pay time. So it's always better to look at your guidelines as well as your trading plan to avoid making a lot of mistakes. They are made, but you can always learn from them. Avoid losing money by making unnecessary mistakes. Always ensure that you take well-calculated risk when you take your trade to avoid mistakes.
Is it true that Forex traders speak in a secret code language?
Well, I think they're referring to the type of lingo that is being used within the financial market. For example, maybe let me give you like 5 things that we normally say as Forex traders in the financial market. Something like a lot size. Someone who's new into the industry might not understand what is a lot size, which is basically a standard unit of currency in Forex trading. Something like leverage, the use of borrowed money from the broker to increase your potential return on investment. For example, a ratio on leverage can be referred to something like 1:200, 1:500. So that's basically what we mean when we say ratio. Another use can be margin, which is the amount required to open a position from your broker using the leverage. You can also have a language in the financial market like spread, because people might not understand. Are we spreading butter, are we spreading rumors, or are we spreading even lies? So a spread generally in the financial market is the difference between bid, which is sell, and ask, which is buy in the currency pair. And we also have something which is very important for somebody that is new coming into the financial market, and it is also essential and important to a trader that is profitable, which is a stop loss. This thing is designed to limit and increase. It's designed to limit and increase a less of a position. No, you know why? Because the camera, yeah. So this one, you're gonna take it from what I'm gonna say now. Ne? Spread the sharp, stop loss.
Stop loss, yes.
So something like a stop loss, this thing is designed, it's a very powerful tool, and I believe everybody should be taking advantage of this. This is a good security in your trading career. So a stop loss is designed to limit and it's designed basically to limit any investors' loss on a position. You know, it's more or less like your security. Once you've placed your stop loss in a certain price, you say, when the price hits this level, take me out on this particular loss. And you also have something like a take profit, when you basically say, once you hit this certain price and I'm making money on that price, take me out automatically. So these are the things that you can use. So those are like the type of language you can take or not really take advantage of, but this is a language that is being used. So it's a general knowledge or a general language to people that have understanding of these particular things that I've mentioned to you in the financial markets.
If I start Forex trading, should I quit my day job and buy a sports car?
Well, there's a say that says rappers need to get a job. Well, a good friend of mine normally say traders need to get a job. Don't quit your job until you are profitable and understand the game. This is a numbers game. If your numbers don't add up, don't quit that job. Talking of sports cars, not every trader drives a sports car, and if you want one, you can always ask me to accompany you. I'll get a good price for a sports car for you. But going back to what the question is all about, guys, this is very important. Trading is not about flexing. So don't quit your job just because of you see somebody quitting a job and making a success out of it. Like I said, it's a numbers game. Know your numbers, let your numbers make sense, and only after that you can quit your job and let's get that sports car for you. All right, guys, this was 10 silly questions for a trader. My name is MJ Givens Kgasi, and thank you once again for watching this. Peace.